In this lesson, we'll learn a new kīwaha or idiom in te reo Māori, the Māori language. This kīwaha is Auare Ake. Auare Ake means to no avail. I use this one a lot when I'm fishing. Anyway, this is how it's used. If someone asks me how the fishing was, I can respond by saying, I hooked a really big tāmure or snapper, but Auare Ake. I hooked it, but it was to no avail. It got away. Another context it can be used is watching your favourite sports team. Maybe like the Warriors. They made the finals, but Auare Ake. They came away with nothing. Hopefully next year it's different for the boys. Tēnā karawhiua. Up the waz.